Hey guys, thanks so much for hanging out with me for another video. Today we are doing the cash stuffing for my monthly paycheck. My name is Vanessa and let's get into it. Okay, so the very first thing, I'm gonna go in order for this book, not in this. These I just write down where I want everything to go. I don't necessarily do it in order from the binder. And we've actually had a busy week with spending money, so it's nice to kind of fill these back up a little bit. We dipped into our savings envelope because there was a post on Facebook Marketplace for a set of couches that we couldn't pass up, and we actually needed new couches, so we did that. The spider spray that we get twice a year ended up happening yesterday, so our spider spray envelope is empty, and I believe we used some fun money as well. So let's start with fun. And I've already filled out the trackers just to get everything moving smoothly. So fun is $15. So counting this out, we should have 50. We've got 20, 30, 40, 45, 50. And Ontario just went into more lockdowns, which should be really interesting. But so far we've been using the fun money to order for things locally around here. We found a really good restaurant that we really like that's close by, and they have really delicious food. So that's kind of where this has been going so far. Hopefully one day it'll go for something outside, but for now it works. Let's see. Not doing hygiene. Hair no, clothing no, car maintenance yes. Okay, so car maintenance is getting 20. I still have to get my plates. I haven't done that yet. I actually don't even know if Service Ontario is open, because in Canada, or at least Ontario, you have to get stickers before your birthday or by your birthday for the next year. So I do have to do that before the end of April. So we should have 115 now. We've got 20, 40, 60, 80, 1, 10, 15. Awesome. And where we live, it's only 65 for the stickers. So we have a bit left over for an oil change, which is really good. Okay, sorry if you can hear my toddler. Okay, so Christmas is going to get 75. So we should have 590. So it's a 50, 25. All right, so let's count this. We should have 590. Got 1, 2, 3, 54, 55, 50, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90. So 590. Perfect. And spring is usually the time where I start slowly picking up little things I see here and there for Christmas gifts for everyone that's budgeted out. So I'm happy that we have this here if I do happen to see anything. Birthdays are gonna get 40, and I sent my nephew his birthday gift. We obviously had to mail it this year, so I wanted to make sure he got it in time. So hopefully that will be arriving to him shortly. So now we're replenishing that, so we should have 505. So we've got 51, 52, 53, 54, 20, 40, 60, 80, 505. Perfect. And then we gotta start thinking of Mother's Day. That's coming up after my birthday. Alrighty. And then pool is getting 100. I know I talk about the pool every single time, so I'm not gonna say much in this video, but if you want to check out the other videos where I talk about my pool, please do. Help me out. Okay, so this should be 805. Let's check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 50, 7, 20, 40, 60, 80, 800, 05. Perfect. I think I am gonna have to get smaller bills for these hundreds, just for the payments for the company that we use to open and close the pool. I'm not sure how much each one is going to be exactly, so we'll find out. Spider spray has nothing in it, and we're putting in 15. So this will need to be 200 by September, and then 300, I believe, by November. So we're just always going to be putting money into this envelope. And Chatbooks isn't getting anything. Holidays isn't getting anything. My car insurance gets 100. And this, I paid in March. I paid for a year's worth of car insurance. So this is for March of 2022 that I'm trying to ensure that we have it covered, so it can just sit there and wait for the payment to be made. So this should be 200, and we've got 152. All right, and then, oh, get in there all the way. Okay, furnace isn't getting anything. Savings, so we did have to use our savings for the couch, and we're gonna put in 110 today. So it's 50, 110. I'm still thinking bikes for the spring, but where we are, it's still pretty cold. It's only about 10 degrees Celsius daily. We had a couple days of really nice weather, which was awesome, and then it went back down again, and it's super rainy. So April showers brings May flowers, and maybe May bikes. We'll see. It was corny. Okay, and then where did I put the house envelope? I think I was using gas. Yes, house. So house is gonna get 25. And this is for little projects that we want to do throughout the summer. And I don't have a tracker for it yet, but the house now has 50. So 20, 40, 45, 50. So I think the first thing that we're going to do is painting. So this so far is going to go towards painting the house. If you guys are interested in any home improvement videos too, let me know. I'm trying to figure out what I want to do on top of budgeting, because this kind of gets repetitive. I find it really interesting to watch other people and watch their envelopes grow and figure out what categories other people use, but I also want to do a bit more fun stuff on this channel. So if you're interested in that, let me know, and thanks for stuffing envelopes with me. Is there anything you guys are really looking forward to stuffing, or anything for spring in particular that you're saving for? Let me know down below, because I'm always really interested in what people are saving their money for. Alrighty, and that's all we got. No more money. Okay, thanks for hanging out, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye.